Hop into that brand new Billy Bentayga. I go fuck around and fly that private to Jamaica. Part 2, no I'm finna stay, yo. Told that little bitch hit the gas, you know we on the way, yo.
First blood.
She wanna tell me right.
Triple kill.
But I don't feel the same. Go find another lane. Get into that paper, need that Billy Bentayga. Yeah, I'm moving different now. They say I'm changing. I could never lost a couple people on the way, but really it's whatever. Cause the ones that just stay down for me, I swear the game forever. I go harder every season. My life's changing like the weather in that brand new GTR race. And they see us both on that toy first, get back to the basic. Called the other day, I told my brother that we made it. The same was showing love to me, behind my back they hate it. Oh, I know everybody wanna take my soul. Wasn't there when I was on